So I've been asked by a few people to explain how the door locks work on some of our rebody cars. I'll start with the easiest one. So on the ZGT, it's literally just the standard Z3 door handle. So there's no door skins on these at all. So it's just the normal Z3 door handle, no issues whatsoever. What we'll do now is we'll move on to the ones that we do have door skins on, so the Isabella and some of the other models that we fit sort of vintage door handles onto. So I'll move on to those shortly. So now we're moving on to one with door skins. So what I'll do is I'll explain the door skins. So with it, what we've got here is there's a normal Z3 door, and there's the door skin that we fit, so it lines up with all the wings. What happens then is we've got a distance of obviously this gap here before the button on the door handle actuates the handle on the Z3. So what we do is we fit a new plate onto the existing door handle, or the existing door mechanism, and then mount a handle to the rear. On this one, it was one of our first ever ones, so we've just used a classic mini one, a classic mini door handle. As you see, it's quite easy, and the door lock there is obviously just locks the physical lock, so you can't press the button in, which means you can't actuate the switch. So that's quite a simple one. What I'll do now is move on to the ones when we fit some of the Italian door handles. So here we are again. This is a car with a door skin, but this is where the customer has opted for maybe a more traditional Italian style door handle. So these operate in the same way. So we do the plate that operates the mechanism and the normal key switch. So they're a little bit older than modern cars, so it is a bit of a fiddly one, but literally if I pop the key in there, undo it, now I can push it in, and there we go. And there we go again, there's the door skin. So yeah, on this occasion, rather than using the mini door handle, we've used the Italian one. No issues whatsoever. We've not really had any problems with these. Sometimes the locks get a bit sticky, but as you can see, I just wiggle it a little bit. Now you can't open the car. And that's it. So it's a physical stop rather than anything electrical. Some people opt to not have any locking mechanism at all and do it all on a fob. Entirely up to the customer.